Do you want to get started with AgFuse? Here's how you sign up. To get started, simply sign up for an account at agfuse.com. Once you receive your confirmation letter via email, you will be able to go through a sign-up tour that helps customize your account. Simply fill out your profile information. By filling in your location, AgFuse will help find other AgFuse members in your area for you to connect with. Notice the visibility section as step 1 on the tour. This area allows you to control whether or not your account is public or private. The default setting here is public, but you can always change it later in the settings section. Also, remember to click on the check boxes of your interests to help further customize your AgFuse account. The more interests you choose, the more great content will be delivered to your AgFuse feed. In step 2 of the sign-up tour, you can upload your profile photos and also add more information to your account. Step 3 and 4 are very important steps. By connecting with individuals and groups, you will get more great content delivered to your feed each time you check AgFuse. You have the option of connecting with local users or the most popular users across all of AgFuse. You can simply click the follow button to connect with these users. In AgFuse, a group is an account that represents either interests like cover crops and irrigation, or organizations and businesses. Perform the same action in step 4 to connect with groups that are most relevant to you based on the interests that you choose in your profile, and also the most popular groups all across AgFuse. If you would like to create a group, you can do that later once you're logged in. After completing step 4, the final step of the tour allows you to refer your friends via email or social media. We encourage all new users to invite their peers because having these types of connections will only enhance their user experience on the AgFuse platform. Farmers across the world are using AgFuse to gain valuable insights and information as well as to network with their peers. We hope you'll consider joining our network. The best farmers in the world connect on AgFuse.